In this video tutorial, I'd like to give you a quick introduction about the theme system provided by Glype. First, what is a theme? Basically, it's a set of files that define your site layout, fonts, and colors. In other words, it's like a skin of your website, defines the look and feel of your proxy site. So let's look at the file structure of Glype. Previously, we already installed the local test environment under the C drive XAMPP folder under the folder htdocs. We set up our first proxy site called myProxy. Let's go inside. There are several folders from Glype. The first one called includes, that has the config files. The second one called plugins. That has plugins optimized for different websites like Facebook, MySpace, or YouTube. The last one is called temp, that is for caching and temporary files. What we care about now is the themes folder. Let's go inside. There are two folders right now. One is called default, the other is called simple. Those are actually two themes provided by Glype out of the box. So how does it work? Let's take an example. Let's start our local test environment, XAMPP control panel, double click, and we can start our Apache server, start. Okay, let's go to Internet Explorer and go to our proxy, localhost/myproxy. Okay, so this is a default Glype web proxy site. It uses a theme called default. What if you want to customize this website, like a layout, color, or wordings? The quickest way is to use a different theme. Let's see how to do it. So we can go to the XAMPP folder again. Go to htdocs, myProxy, go to themes. So we have another theme called simple. Let's switch to that. So we can go back, go to the folder called includes. There is a config file called settings. We can open that with Notepad. At the beginning, there is a line called config themes equal to default. So let's change the name from default to simple. Save it. Go back to the browser and refresh. Okay, you now see a totally different website because we switched to a simple theme. At this moment, you may wonder, how can I create my own theme? If you are not a web developer or not good at HTML or style sheet, it might be a little bit challenging for you. Fortunately, you don't have to do it from scratch. You can download some free themes from the internet. Let me show you how to do it. So you can go to Google and search for Glype themes. Let's go to the first one. Okay, so this one, Glype Designs, provides you a lot of free templates. Let's go to the first one called Underground. Let's try to find the download link. Okay. Alright, there's a zip file you can download. Click that and save to your desktop. Save. Now you have a zip file. Just unzip, extract here. So you have a folder. Let's copy the whole folder to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, myProxy, themes, and paste here. You have a new theme called Underground. Let's go back to the config file under the includes, settings. We can change the config file, the theme name from simple to Underground and save. Now let's go back to Internet Explorer, type localhost my proxy. Great. Now you see the site totally changed. You switch to the new theme called Underground.